Here's how to install the SONOS MOVE Wall Mount. First, let's check what's in the box. 1 wall mount, 4 raw plugs, 4 wall screws, 4 screw caps. Here are the tools needed for this installation. Now let's proceed with marking and drilling on different wall types. First, place the wall mount on the wall. Then, mark the screw holes in preparation for drilling. This is how to drill on different wall types, from drywall, wood stud plyboard, and concrete wall. You may pause the video at any point to better understand how to drill your wall. Now let's proceed with installing the wall mount and the soundbar. First, secure the wall mount in place with the provided wall screws. Next, cover the screws with provided screw caps. Lastly, anchor the speaker to the wall mount. And you're done.